Good morning, all are you. Welcome to our college, Sharad Institute of Technology, Polytechnic, EDRA in Jaganji, Department of Information Technology. Today start second lecture on course that is subject name Applied Multimedia Techniques. In this course, total there are 5 units. Unit number 1, Introduction to Multimedia. Unit number 2, Image Editing and Compression. Unit number 3, Web Page Development using Multimedia. Unit number 4, Create 2D Animation. Unit number 5, Create 3D Animation. Okay. In a previous lecture, we seen that detailed syllabus of multimedia course and their marks system. Okay, this subject only for practical subject. It is not a written paper for board examination, but not ignore this subject because it is the practical subjects and it is we get out marks. Okay, so let's start the unit number 1, that is Introduction to Multimedia. Multimedia. Single medium to provide information is called as unimedia. For example, radio means what? In single medium through we provide any information that are known as a unimedia. Means in a radio only for sound are we provide sounds are used, or sound media only for used, that is the audio. So this medium is known as the unimedia, but multimedia means in that use more than one medium. That is, multimedia is content that uses a combination of different content forms such as text, audio, images, video and animations. Okay, next point, multimedia means that multimedia, in that words there are two parts, one multi and second media. Means multi means it means more than one, and media means through conveying the information, means which medium through we provide the information, that is text, audio, images, video and animations. Okay, means we are provide the information through resources. Okay, for example, that resources are also known as the medium. Okay, next point, a system presents some information through more than one media. It is known as the multimedia. It is the one another way to we define the multimedia definition. Okay, computer based techniques of text, images, audio, video, graphics, animations and any other medium where every type of information can be represented, processed, stored, transmitted, produced and presented digitally to users. Means using this all are the medium through we are informations are communicate with one source to another source, or one machine to another machine, or one people to another people using through computers. Okay, for example, TV, book, phone, computer, etc. Means this through we are multiple medias are used. In TV you used audio, videos. In books use in a book which are the which media through we are read the books. In books also present the text, image. Okay, so book is the multimedia. Just like the phone and computers also the present the more than one media. Means what? More than one media through we convey the information through TV, book, phone, computer. So these are the known as the multimedia. And in a previous slide told that said that radio means radio, it is radio through we are only for one media is used, only for sound, that is audio. So this is known as the unimedia and these are the known as the multimedia. Okay, in that we only for known the multimedia means in that use the more than one media. Which media? Audio, video, image, sound, text, animation, etc. Okay, next point, combination of 5 elements, or this also known as the types of multimedia. Okay, which are the types of multimedia or which elements are used in a multimedia? These are text, second image, third audio, fourth video, and fifth animation. These are discussed one by one in a next slide. That first type or first element, that is a text. Text means it is the collection of characters, are also known as the combinations of characters. Means what? More than one characters as collected, that are we create the text. Okay, in a table they display the content of text. Means what? Using this content we create the text. Means input. Means how to give the text to the computer? Using through keyboard. Output, how do we get the text on a monitor or a printer? Okay, monitor means we in a monitor display the text, and printer means we get the hard copy. Okay, means that both through we are got the text. Next, software, which software through we are create the text? For example, Notepad, MS Word, WordPad. Means we using through software Notepad through we write the text in also MS Word, in also WordPad. Okay, next content is the type. Type means file extension. Okay, all are known what is meant by file extension. Okay, in your first year, first sem ICT, in under the ICT subject we are studied. Okay, we are also revision it. What is meant by file extension? File extension means it is indicate that which type of your file. Okay, means what? You are which software are used in that you use which file, that is indicated by using the file extension. Means what? In that software you used Notepad, then their file extension is .txt. You use MS Word, their file extension is .doc. Means in .txt indicate that it is the Notepad file. .doc is indicated by it is the MS Word file. Means what? Type means what? File extension means what? It indicates that which files are you used. Okay, so by text, which are the types, means which are the file extensions are used through the text, that are .txt, .doc, .rtf, etc. Okay. Next content, next type or next element is image. Image is a digital representation of any visual captured object. Clear that? Means what? What is meant by image? Any captured image that are represented in a digital, that are known as a image. Okay. In a table shows that their contents. Means what? Input, output, software, and type. Which file extension are used for image? Input means what? How to give the input through the media. Image means image are how to give the, we create a multimedia using through camera. Means what? In a camera you capture the object, or you capture the photo, that is the we accept that image. Okay, how to display, how we get that object, how we get the image? Using through monitor or printer. In monitor, on monitor we display the image, and on printer through we get the hard copy. Okay, which are the software for used for image? Photoshop, okay, MS Paint, Picasa. Means this software through we create the image. Okay, we are already, these are softwares. Okay, next type. Which type of file extensions for the image? .jpg, .png, .bmp, .tiff, TIFF, etc. These are the file extension of a image. Okay, we are seeing that the elements or types of multimedia, these are we are already know what is mean by image, what is mean by audio, what is mean by video, what is mean by text. Okay, but these are the main object or these are the main types. These five combinations we create the any product. Okay, that is known as multimedia. So these are the basic points. So it is clear that all are I'm know all are already known about these points. What is meant by text, what is meant by image, what is meant by audio, what is meant by video, what is meant by animation. So I am telling that this subject is easy and understanding purpose. It is the entertainment subject. Okay, only for there no any theoretical part, no any language subject. Okay, only for entertainment, but it is the important, it is the one type of our in using animation we create the or we build the our career also. Okay, third element or third type of multimedia is the audio. What is meant by audio? What is the definition of audio? How to we call the audio? Audio is a sound vibrations generated by sound card and heard by speaker. Clear? Means what? How to audio means sound created or it is generated by the sound card, and how to is listen, how to is heard by a speaker. So in that speaker is the our output, means how through we are heard the audio. These are the in a following table shows that contain input, output, which software are used, which are the file extension of that audios, etc. Okay, in input using through microphone we are input the your audio or the sound. Output, how to get or how to heard the sound using through speaker. Software, which software we create the audios using the Filmora, Audacity or other softwares are used, VLC, Windows Media Players, etc. These are all software you already knows. Okay, only for this is the revision points. Multimedia means what the revisions points. Next type means what, which file extensions are used for audio, .wav or .mp3, .aac, etc. Okay. Fourth element or fourth type of multimedia is video. Okay, what is the definition or how to call the video? Video means video is a sequential collection of images or a frame. Also known as the video means we are more than one images are sequentially generated and run one by one. That is known as the video. Okay, in this contents are input, output, software and type. Input is for video camera means using the video camera we generate the video. Output, monitor means in your monitor we see the video. Okay, software, which software using we create the video? Movie Maker, Filmora or other softwares, VLC, Windows Media Player, etc. This software through we create the video. Type, in that which are the file extension for video, .mp4, .flv, .mov. These are the file extensions of video. Okay, means what, in a video these are the like a collecting the same as the images, but in images are run one by one, that are we seen that as this is like a video, etc. Okay, next elements or next type of multimedia is animation. Okay, animation is imagination video created by a software. Means what is the definition of animation? Animation is imagination video created by a software. Means we create the video using more than once using the software, but it is the imaginations. In a fourth element or fourth type of multimedia is the video, and fifth is the animation. Video and animation, these two types are the same. Means what? In a video we create the video, and in also animation we create the video, but it is the difference between the video and animation is that in a animation when we generate the video, it is the imagination video, and in a video we create the video of the real life. Means what? In a real life we directly create the video using through camera, that generated is known as the video, and image, and in a animation means any through software through. Okay, means any software through we create the video, that is the imagination. It is not a real, it is for only for imagination. That videos are known as animation. Okay, for example, all are watching the TVs. Okay, in that animation films or animation cartoons are those are the examples of imagination. These are not in a real life, or in a real life these objects are not present. Okay, but it is we created imaginations through. This is known as the animation. Means that in that we create the also the runnable images. Okay, that are the using that extension is .gif. Means we runnable images we are created. Okay, it is not a real. Okay, that are known as the animation. Means using the 2D animation, 3D animations, etc. All are watching the TVs. In that TVs using the multiple videos are the generated the animated videos are not in a real life. All are the cartoon channels. In that we created the objects as that the cartoons are not in a real, so that these are the known as the animation. Okay, we clear the point what is meant by actually video and what is meant by animation. Okay, in only first known that animation is the imagination video, and video is the in a real life we create the video. In a video using the camera through capture the video or generate the video, and in a animation using through software we create the video, that is the imagination video, that are known as animation. Okay, there the in a table shows that which are the contents. Means what? Input, output, software and type. Which are the input are used? Means using through software we create the animations. Output, monitor. Means what? Through on a monitor we see that images, so using through monitor through we animation is accept or animation is obtained. Means output is that how to we get the animation using through monitor. Software, which are the softwares are used? Flash, 3D Max, Maya, Blender or other software, VLC, Windows Media Player, etc. In our syllabus 3D animations are used. In that we use the software Blender. It is the free software. Okay, type means file extension. Which file extensions are used for the animation? .gif, .flic, .mng, etc. Okay, next point, uses of multimedia. Means in which areas are used the multimedia techniques. Okay, the uses of multimedia are as follows. Advertising, in advertising purpose we use the multimedia. In education purpose. Okay, these words are we already know. Okay, so not any explain in details, only for note. Okay, this in subject not a theory paper, so not in a details we study, only for concepts are clear. What is meant by multimedia, what is meant by which are the types, what is the use of multimedia, etc. Okay, practical which when we start the practicals, that are the important. Okay, so only for clear the points by using the theory points, and using practical through we do that. Okay, education. Okay, using through science and technologies through in pre-production. Fourth is the Pre-productions. Pre-productions means what? It is the pre-production and post-production. It is the under the film industries. Okay. Pre-production means action films, and post-production means it is the integrated films, means it is the animated films. Okay. Next, sixth is the arts. In arts also use the multimedia techniques. In a engineering field, in a research field are used the multimedia. In a research field you use the multimedia techniques. Some other uses of multimedia. 9. Business presentations. In business we create the presentation, that time to also using the multimedia techniques through we do our project. 10. Entertainment purpose means in a gaming or watching the cartoons, serials, etc. That time to also use the multimedia techniques. Information access. Okay, when we get the information access, that time to use also multimedia. Medicine. Next, 13. E-shopping. Next, movie making. Okay, e-learning, e-books, digital library. These are the uses of multimedia techniques. In which areas we use these multimedia techniques. Okay, in all these fields are we use the multimedia techniques. Today's our generation is the depends on only for their multimedia techniques. Means what? In any we create the object, that time to use more than one media. So this is called as the multimedia. Okay. Summary of this our second lecture on applied multimedia techniques course. In this lecture we seen that definition of multimedia, types of multimedia. Okay, which are the types of multimedia? The text, image, audio, video and animation. Okay, and uses of multimedia means in which areas we use the multimedia techniques. Homework means in this lecture we given some homework, that is only for write in your notebook today's all lectures point, not any extra homework. Only for these points are write down your homework. I am already in a previous lecture I told that one bring the 100 pages notebook, that in 100 pages notebook we are write down the syllabus, marks, etc. Okay, now we start our second lecture. In a second lecture we studied the 3 points. These 3 points are your notes in this PPTs are we given, that are only for write down. It is only for your homework for next lecture. Sorry, some technical problem is created. Okay, you know what is the homework? Only for in a 100 pages, which are the bring the 100 pages notebook, that in a write a today's all lecture points, and once again it read that. It is enough for that AMT subject study. Okay, thank you. Any something points are regarding in doubts, then definitely you asking to me or contact with me, no problem. Okay, once again thank you.